Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Toronto Pearson Airport. We're going to take a look at some of the cars with Alamo here. Again, just a heads up, National, Enterprise, and Alamo all share the same fleet, so some of these cars will actually move over to Alamo or Enterprise or National. Let's get started off here. Actually, quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, give the video a quick like if you want to see more of these. And we got an EcoBoost Mustang convertible. We got a couple Ford Explorers down there. Got a Cadillac XT5, we got a BMW 3 Series, and I'm just going to actually wander down here. We got some more of these, actually there's a BMW 3 Series and a GLC 300, but I'm just going to take a quick look at this Volvo XC, I think these are the XC40s. And then we got an A220 behind it, 300 Mercedes sedan. Not sure if this is locked, but we can take a quick peek inside. I still haven't driven one of these yet. I wouldn't mind trying one sometime. And actually, the mileage come up on here. Yeah, about 17,000 on it. And I suspect the seats fold back in the back here to give you a little bit more room. Not a lot of room in behind there. Actually, why don't I go here? You can see some of the other overflow here. So we got a ton of Jeeps over here. And some pickup trucks in there. Oh, these are just lined up for the next day here. We got a Rubicon. One of these Rubicon. Kind of like that blue color is nice. Lots of trucks. Another Rubicon Gladiator in white. We'll just go around here. Sorry about that. Another Rubicon. Oh boy. Yeah, a bunch of pickup trucks. Got another 3 Series BMW. Just about everything back in here. BMWs, larger SUVs, and we'll just go around to Alamo here, and we've got hang on a second, this has got electric plates on it here. There's a Hyundai. It's not, is this a hybrid? What is this here? Ioniq, okay, Ioniq. Oh, okay, this is the plug-in, right. Okay, the Ioniq plug-in beside a 330i. And we'll get to that Volvo near the end there. Got a BMW X1, X3, the larger one here. Got a Polestar, I kind of like that color on the Polestars. Ooh, this one's got tan interior. Let me kind of show you guys that real quick. Ooh, and got another Kona in black. Wipers up though, that's not a good sign. Oh, hang on. Let's see if I can open the door. I'll show you guys inside here. Oh, this one's got the wood paneling too. Check that out. Yeah, ventilated seats. I don't know if those are upgraded seats. That looks quite nice. Yeah. All right. You never know what you'll find. Interesting combinations. Somebody's leaving that Camry here. We got a Mitsubishi. We got a Toyota on the end there. And we have Dodge Ram 1500. Wow, that's a big pickup truck with the Hemi in it. Something tells me I should look at this. Let's have a quick peek in here. Oh yeah, that's a big size. Really big size. Oh yeah, it's brand new. 1,600 kilometers, so about 1,000 miles on it. Very nice. I don't know if I can see the trim on the back here. Does it tell us anything? This is 4x4. Very nice, brand new. Classic. And we got a Jeep here, another XT5, we got a Volvo S60. Oh, I like these. There's not too many of these. These are the electric plug-in hybrids. And we got a Jaguar SUV, we got a Volvo XC90, it looks like. Not too many of those still around. And we got a Mazda, smaller Mazda. Let's just take a quick peek at this Volvo here. T6 XC90. Oh, that'd be a nice ride for sure. All right, yeah, and it's got the Harman Kardon audio. Really nice seats in there. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Again, just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and give it a quick like if you want to see more of these. And I'll see you guys in the next video.